Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 5th. In this class, we are going to discuss about tasks for FA and SA. For this, you need to open page number 68 in your term book number 1. Term book number 1. In that page number 68, the Roman number 1 is round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. Nearest tens. Children, you need to buy a bicycle. Then you gone along with your father to buy a bicycle. Then when you ask the shopkeeper what was the price of the bicycle, the shopkeeper said it was 3,300. Was 3,300. Then your father is bargaining with the shopkeeper to reduce the 300 and give the bicycle for only 3,000. 3,000. Then the shopkeeper agreed after some time and he given bicycle for the cost of 3,000. Here 3,000 is the round off value for 3,300. Understand, children? If 3,800 same, then what was the nearest round off value to the 3,800? Nothing but 4,000. So if you want to know what is the round off concept, we'll live in clear what is round off concept. Children, they already said in the Roman number 1, round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Only is asking tens, means tens value. For this, see first one, they given 68. First you need to write the place value for this 68. That is ones and tens. Right now, come to the position of ones. If suppose in the place of ones, if the value is less than 5, understand, children? If the value is less than 5, then in the ones place you have to keep 0. In the tens place, the value is one value will be increased, means you have to add 6 plus 1, how much? 7. 70. You may not understand. Once again I will say in clear. See, children, they given the value 68. You know that. For this 68, for this number, you need to place value system. So you place ones and tens. Okay. In the place of ones, the value is 8. 8. Okay, children. Here, consider, you leave this part. Consider if the value is less than 5. If the value is less than 5 in the place of ones, then you have to keep 0. Then you have to keep 0 in where? You have to keep 0 in the ones place. Ones place you have to keep 0. If the value is greater than 5 or 5, then you have to keep again 0 in the ones place, and you need to increase plus 1. Means for this 6, you need to add 1. So 6 plus 1 how much? 7. So 70. The round off value of 68 is 70. Understand, children? If the value means in the place of ones, if the value is less than 5, then you have to keep 0 and you have to keep 6 like this. If the value in the place of ones is above 5, means here 8, so you need to keep 0 in the ones place and you have to add plus 1 to the tens place. 6 plus 1 how much? 7. 70 is the round off value to the 68. One more we'll see. For this answer is 70. See next one. Come to here. They given 1445. For this you need to look at only at the ones place. Only ones place. If they ask you tens, so you should concentrate only at ones place. Understand, children? Here in the place of ones, the value is 5. Means if the value is 5 or above 5, then you have to keep a 0 where in the ones place. and in the tens place you need to add plus 1 to the tens, means in the place of tens the value is 4, no, so you have to add 1 to this 4. So 1 plus 4 how much? 5. Remaining you should keep like that. Understand children? The round off value of 1445 is 1450. Understand children? Right now come to here. You may understand in clear what is this. The answer round of value for 1445 is 1450. Then come to here. They given the value 8944. So again you need to take this number and you have to keep place value system ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. But you need to look at only at the ones position because we asked the tens. So you need to concentrate at only ones place. See here in the place of ones the value is 4. I already said if the value in the ones place is less than 5. Less than 5 means here 4. It is less than 5. No? So what happens? You need to keep simply 0 in the place of ones. Okay. In the place of tens, value is 4. No? So directly you have to keep 4 here. And remaining numbers 100 in the place of 100, 9 in the place of 1000, 8. Understand children? The round off value of 8944 is 8940. Understand? Simply I want to say if the value in the ones place is less than 5, simply you need to keep 40 tens, nearest tens. If the value is 5 or above 5, you need to add 1 plus 1 to the tens place. Suppose simply here they given 6 children. They given the value 6 in the place of ones. Assume like that. Then here the 6 is greater. It is above, means it is above to the 5. So in the place of 1, 6, no, you need to keep 0. In the place of tens the value is 4. So you need to add 1 to the 4. 1 plus 4 how much? 5. Then in the place of hundreds 9. In the place of thousands 8. So 8950 is the round off value of 8946. That is nothing but 8946 children. Like this, you have to convert to the nearest tens. Understand children? We'll discuss next 2 months in the next class children. Thank you children.